Now they probably didn't touch any of the landscaping until February, from February on.
And then all the
So everything's
perennials
overgrown
came
and,
out, and you didn't know what you're getting into.
So we paid a fortune to do landscaping. It's like $4,000.
How's his back?
Good. For now.
That's because you paid someone else to do it, right?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. I may have to take my business cards over and say, hey, how do you feel after doing this?
How do you feel about this?
Here's my chiropractor. So how'd the last visit go?
Good. I was just a little sore, but that was to be expected. And then it's just been tight. It's not been hurting like it was before. It's just been tight, but I've been stretching more at night, and then icing and heat, so I'm at least trying.
Where do you want me to focus today for you?
I think it's still the lower back.
Okay. No pain down the legs?
No, it kind of just sits in my lower back, almost to my tailbone.
Right in the center?
Yeah.
All right, good tip. If you do a lot of sitting though,
Unfortunately.
Right? Do you have a stand desk too?
No, I wish.
Sit stand. So when you're sitting, sit into the chair. Make sure you're safe in the chair. Then bring yourself forward to the front 50% of the chair seat.
And I think I've been doing that. I actually switched my chair at work too.
Did we talk about that before?
I think we did before, like
okay.
when I first did a visit.
That really helps to set this core up right, helps you sit up straighter, so you're exercising your back actually while you're sitting by engaging the core instead of slouching. Any more trips planned to Africa?
I wish. No, we have our honeymoon to Hawaii.
Oh, that's right. Which island?
We're going to Maui.
Oh, beautiful island. Raise this leg without bending the knee. And down. Try the other one. Back down. Did they feel about the same going up this time?
Yeah.
So both legs are even. Both sides of the SI joint appear within alignment, so much better.
Okay.
So left leg goes a little further, so I'm adjusting right at the sacrum here. Okay, place your right hand on your lower back. We're going to test L5. We're going to test, the right leg went shorter. Okay, so some rotation on L5. I want you to lay on this hip, face me this way. Last adjustment was helpful?
Yes.
No.
Oh yeah, very helpful.
Not too sore from the
No, I mean, I'm not any more sore than I've ever been before, so it was expected.
Well, it was a while since our last adjustment, if I remember.
Yeah, we did the one last week, about a week ago. Good. And then before then, it was probably like last year.
Okay, right hand lower back again. Even, position 1, 2. Good, switch hands for me, checking L4. Right leg went about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch shorter with that test. Good. All right, hand down for me. How you doing with all the haze of the smoke out there? Does that bother you at all?
I noticed it's a little, like, at night is when it's, I think, the worst for me after I've been going all day. But
you guys
I don't
have
notice
air?
it. Yeah.
Central air, yeah.
Yeah.
And what you lay on your back.
Yeah, so I don't really know. I didn't really notice the smoke too much, but at the end of the day is when I kind of notice it.
Okay, deep breath. Really sit out. Nice to just get tuned up and feeling better.
Yeah.
That reminds me to get my adjustment too.
Yeah.
You to move down on the table a little bit for me, right there. You can bend your knees, feet on the a little bit more for me, right there. Perfect. Good. Let me have this arm. Busy day at the office.
Yeah, busier than normal. We have a lot of people just kind of show up, which we hate, but it's like we don't do walk-ins. scheduled
Unlike
appointment.
me, right?
Right.
You just show up. We do walk-ins, but you guys need prep time.
Yes.
So that's a difference.
Well,
you know?
we get a lot of clients who are just like, oh, I haven't heard from you. It's like, it's probably a good thing. Like, if you haven't heard from us, it's a good thing.
Well, there's that lull period before you start engaging.
Exactly. Exactly.
don't
But they
understand
don't
that.
know how to do that, and it freaks them out.
You know, because there's no communication and
Exactly.
things take a while. And
Yeah.
It's like a good poker game. Gotta know when to play your cards.
Exactly.
Move back that way. We're gonna check the hip and knees. Thank you. No, tell them that at the beginning.
Yeah.
I think, you know, when the providers, we're doing our job, you're less engaged, maybe checking in with us and once in a while with them.
Right.
But when the case is closed, that's when you start engaging with them more.
Yeah.
Good, and I'm gonna have you sit facing that way for me. Where do the dogs go for the daycare or doggy care?
So it's called, what is it called? Wet noses with dry paws. So it's all indoor, which is awesome. But we were doing it when we sold our house over here. We were doing it every day.
Where'd you take them here?
Well, we still took them up to Tacoma.
Oh, you still took them there?
Yeah, well, my fiance was working so much up that way that it was kind of on the way for him. So.
Other one. Good, nice arch into the lower back. Here's the exercise I want you to practice at work, just like that. Breath in and let it out. So into the nose, out through the mouth, engage the core, your core, and then your neck muscles right through here.
Okay.
Hold that breath in, relax it out. Especially if you get a headache at the base of the head, the best thing to do is just retract that chin back. You can relax now. The other thing you can do is just simple sliding your chin back, just like this. Do 10 reps.
Okay.
Do it slow and controlled because you're engaging those muscles deep inside the neck.
Right.
A lot of times when we sit in front of a computer, our head goes forward, and it stresses these out.
Oh, okay.
Get up, move around, see if that feels better.
Oh yeah, way better.
Good?
Oh yeah.